Alright, tell me what this picture is.
It's about the hemoglobin.
Where is hemoglobin? I don't see hemoglobin on there.
Right here.
The part that looks like a kite?
Yeah.
That's hemoglobin?
Yeah.
And what does hemoglobin do?
It carries oxygen.
Alright, what are all those lines around the hemoglobin?
The brown ones, I think the heme combines with alpha and beta without an enzyme, with an enzyme, but I don't know. So, brown is unknown, known combining. So I don't know.
Alright, start on the right hand side. What's that green and red thing with two dots on the top?
What is it?
Green and red with two dots.
These are not dots, they're half circles.
Oh, sorry. What are they?
They're just substrates for the red enzyme. See?
Is that red the enzyme?
Yeah.
And what's the green?
The green is just conversion.
Okay, and what's that blue thing beside it? The triangle blue.
Beta subunit.
What does a beta subunit do?
It binds to heme to get some, I don't know.
Alright, what is that red triangle?
The red triangle with the alpha.
What does alpha do?
It binds same as beta.
Okay. And what about the part up there that says globin and heme? What does that mean?
Globin are those wavy lines. Heme is the orange dots.
Oh, okay.
So this part these parts don't have any. We cut these parts off when we cut all. We take the nucleus out when we take the nucleus out when the blood cell is finished making hemoglobin.
Where's the nucleus? The green line is the nucleus?
That's the nuclear membrane.
Okay. What's that squiggly line in underneath it?
Well, these two squiggly lines underneath it are DNA.
Okay, and what's that squiggly thing in the middle of the DNA?
I mean this thing?
Yeah.
That's RNA polymerase.
Alright, what's that squiggly line going down to the bottom?
RNA. Hey.
What does that do?
Gets out of the nucleus and goes to the ribosome.
Okay. Is that what that arrow is on the left-hand side?
Both arrows are...
No, go down to the bottom, below the green line.
Oh, the green line? Here?
Put your hand on the RNA. Alright, what's the next line over to the left side?
This one?
Yeah, what is that?
It's just going out of the nucleus.
Oh, the RNA is going out of the nucleus?
Yeah.
How does it go across the nuclear membrane?
Nuclear pores.
Nuclear pores? Oh, okay. Is that like a hole?
It's like a hole.
Okay. So it goes out through the hole? Why doesn't the DNA go out through the hole?
Well, the DNA is supposed to stay inside.
Well, if the RNA can get out, why doesn't the DNA get out?
But the nucleus is gone, and the DNA can get out. But,
Okay.
But the nucleus...
So that squiggly red line above the green line is the RNA?
Yeah.
That's the same RNA that was at the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so the purple arrow?
That just means going in, doing it. That just means that just means RNA binding to the ribosome.
Is the blue thing a ribosome?
Yeah.
What are those little circles on top of the ribosome?
These are the amino acids.
Okay, why is there a line in the middle of the ribosome?
The ribosome. It will connect. It separates the small subunit from the big subunit.
Okay, why are there so many amino acids?
The red and blue arrows here, they mean they're folding.
They're folding?
The protein is folding.
Okay.
Thing into.
What do those amino acids do, those circle things?
Huh?
Those circle things there, what do they do?
Nothing.
They don't do anything?
But they just connect together in the ribosome.
Okay, what about the orange line?
The orange line, nothing.
Nothing?
The orange line is nothing.
Alright, so let me see if I understand this process.
What?
We start with DNA at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
And then what's that?
RNA.
What is the thing on the DNA?
RNA polymerase.
RNA polymerase?
Transcribes it.
Transcribes the RNA, and the RNA then goes up through the
Nuclear pore.
and then the RNA, what does the RNA do with the...
It gets translated.
To what?
Protein.
Oh, does it go inside the ribosome?
No. Oh, several parts. One part. Three
Three parts of what?
Three codons will go into the ribosome and then get out. And then one will go out.
And what do the codons do inside the ribosome?
They code for amino acids.
And what do the amino acids do?
Nothing. They just chain together to produce the protein.
Well, that's something.
Daddy, I forgot Daddy, I forgot the tRNAs.
Alright, I'll put it on pause until you get the tRNA.